Hello students, I hope you all are fine. This is your science video and this is your second part of chapter first. Now our topic is some minerals and their functions on page number 4. Number first mineral is calcium, and what are their function? As we all know that calcium is very important for our bones and teeth, which means it makes our bone and teeth very stronger. And now what are the sources of calcium? Milk, cheese, curd and pulses. Other calcium is iron, which helps in formation of blood, and their sources are green leafy vegetables. Potassium is the other calcium. It maintains fluid balance in our body and helps in functioning of muscles, and the sources of potassium are potato, yogurt and mushrooms. You know what is yogurt? Yogurt is curd. Now the other topic is proteins. What are proteins? Proteins are called bodybuilding nutrients. Why we call protein bodybuilding nutrients? Because protein help us to build our body, especially they helps us in growth of our bones, muscles, nails and hair. They are very essential for the worn out cells or tissues of our body. Means हमारी बॉडी में अगर कोई चीज़ खराब हो रही है, कोई सेल खराब हो गया है या फिर कोई चीज़ कट लगा है, तो उसके लिए हमें कौन सी चीज़ ज़रूरी है? प्रोटीन ज़रूरी है, और प्रोटीन छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. नाउ व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ प्रोटीन? मिल्क, एग, चीज, मीट, कर्ड आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ प्रोटीन. द अदर वन इज roughage. Roughage is the fibrous part of the food, which means it contains a lot of fibers like salad. Salad is a very good example of roughage and a very good source of roughage. It is very important for our digestive system because it helps us to remove the unwanted substances from the digestive system. The example is, and the sources of roughage is salad. Now move on the other page, which is page number 5. The very first topic is, why do we need to drink water? Why do we drink water? As we all know that like other nutrients are one essential substance is water. Our body also require water, and water forms 3/4 of our body. 3/4 of our body वेट, हमारी बॉडी का 3/4 हिस्सा कौन सा वेट है? पानी का ही है. इट मेंटेन्स बॉडी टेम्परेचर एंड रिमूव्स अनवांटेड सब्सटेंसेस. हमारी बॉडी में ये टेम्परेचर को इक्वली बनाए रखता है और वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट को बाहर निकाल देता है. वी हैव टू ड्रिंक 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Okay, so it is very important that you should have to drink 7 to 8 glasses of water. Now move on the other topic. Why do we need to have different types of food items in our meal? Means why do we eat different types of food? Because we need all the nutrients. We need all the nutrients to keep our body fit. So that's why we have to include all the things in our food, and this food can be divided into 3 groups on the basis of its nutrients. Now the first one is energy giving food. We learned about the energy giving food. Energy giving food are those which give us energy to do work. Now what are energy giving foods? Carbohydrates and fats are the energy giving foods, and here are some examples like wheat, rice and sugar. Now turn over your page. On page number 6, the other topic is bodybuilding food. We learned it now that what are bodybuilding foods which help us to maintain our body, which help us for the growth of body. Now what is food items which are rich in protein? Food items rich in protein are bodybuilding foods, and here are some sources of bodybuilding foods. The other is protective food. Protective food means that food which help us, which protect us from the diseases. And food items that are rich in vitamin minerals are called protective food. What are the sources? Fruits, vegetable and milk are the sources of protective food. In what quantity should we eat different types of food? How should we know that in which quantity or in what quantity we have to have this food? This is called balanced diet, because the food which contain all the nutrients in proper amount is called balanced diet. Look, A balanced diet is a diet that contains carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals in proper amount. Okay, so this is the definition for balanced diet. On moving, page number 7, there is a topic named food pyramid. Food pyramid is the way in which we know what to eat and in what quantity, means which type of food we have to eat and in what quantity. Look at the picture and absorb this example. This is very simple for you. The other topic is what should we do to avoid food wastage. हम ऐसा क्या करें कि हम खाने को वेस्ट होने से बचा सकें. हमें पता है कि बेटा फूड इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर आवर ग्रोथ एंड सर्वाइवल. खाना बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए. एंड देयर आर सो मैनी पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड हु वुडंट गेट इनफ फूड, जिन लोगों को खाना ही नहीं मिल रहा है. सो इसलिए क्या है, हमें खाने को वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड हेयर आर सम पॉइंट्स थ्रू विच वी कैन नॉट वेस्ट आवर फूड. इन पॉइंट्स को फॉलो कर हम अपना खाने को वेस्ट होने से बचा सकते हैं. कैसे? ऑलवेज टेक स्मॉल सर्विंग ऑफ द फूड. हमें अपनी प्लेट में हमेशा कम खाना ही पहले रखना चाहिए. ऑलवेज बाय एन अमाउंट ऑफ फूड. हमें उतना ही खाना लेना चाहिए जितना हम खा सकें. कभी भी सोशल गैदरिंग्स मीन्स फंक्शंस और पार्टीज में हमें अपना खाना वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. ज़्यादा अमाउंट में कभी भी खाना नहीं बनाना चाहिए. वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स को हमेशा रेफ्रिजरेटर्स में ही स्टोर करना चाहिए ताकि वो ज़्यादा समय तक फ्रेश रह सके. स्टोर्ड फूड इनको रेफ्रिजरेटर्स में रखना चाहिए और कीप फूड कवर्ड, उसको हवा से बचा के रखना चाहिए.